We just came home from getting plants for our garden and stuff and getting ice cream, because you know, and I got some stuff here, so I'm gonna take this in and unbox it. So excited. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. I'm glad to see you. What are you working on? Talk to me about your projects. It is a beautiful Friday. I'm starting to forget what day it is. And we just got home from buying the plants for our garden and then getting ice cream, which was fun. And I got here in my Paradise box was here. So if you're new, Paradise sends me a box every month to open on my channel, and I actually buy a box too, and I give away the one that I don't keep. The other box is actually en route. It was shipped, I think, yesterday or the day before. If you're interested in this box, after I open it, there will be a link below where you can sign up to get your own monthly boxes. It is like the most fun spinning surprise that you get in the mail every month, and you give it to yourself. I'm excited, and I've been spinning tons and tons and tons, and so I think I deserve some new fiber. There was also some fiber at the front door, and then the other thing was just ink for our printer, so it's not that exciting. Let's open this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick a winner from last month. Okay, are we ready? I don't know about the theme this month. In fact, in like March, my credit card was stolen and somebody ordered $2,400 worth of airline tickets. I don't know, maybe I told you guys this last month. Did I? And so I had to get a new card, and I messed up my new subscription, and then I had to redo it. And so I'm not sure if I was actually on the list when they sent the hint, but I'm still really excited. Okay, ready? Ooh, oh, I love this. I almost bought some sunflowers at the nursery. It looks like this sort of theme is uniting to come together against, in this case, an invisible enemy, which is COVID-19, in case you live under a rock. Okay, and it's about healing, it looks like. So let's do this. I'm excited. This is so cute. So I did not read what is in it because I like the surprise. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, holy cow. 6 ounces of Mountain Meadow USA Cormo wool comb top. So it's interesting because I've been thinking a lot about this particular box, partly because my life consists of eating and sleeping and goofing off right now. And I've been thinking that supply chain disruption, you know, because shipping from outside the country and everything could really be an issue. And so they used USA Cormo wool. I like it. I'm gonna take this out because it's the first thing on the list. Look, I wish we had touch-o-vision so you could feel. It's almost as soft as the Angora from last month, and 6 ounces is a lot of wool. I might have to do this in 2 batches. I'm scared to dye it. I'm gonna do it. You know I'm gonna do it. Probably this week. Oh my gosh, okay. This is so beautiful. Wow. Okay. 2 ounces of Sestari Pure USA Lanolin in a white jar. That's awesome. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen it. We got it once before in like a little tin thing. I love the smell of this stuff. Is that bad? It smells like a sheep farm without poop. And then one handmade Healing Heart gemstone stitch marker. Oh, cool. This is so cool. I love blue gingham too. It always reminds me of Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz. Okay, so oop, there it is. So this really cute stitch marker, look how cutesy that is. And it is some sort of stone. And then 1 tablespoon of raw organic turmeric powder in a purple jar. Oh, cool. Look at this cute little thing. I'm gonna open it because, so you can dye with turmeric. I'm assuming that is their kind of intention. All right, it's got a little thingy in it, like a little seal. Hang on. All right, maybe I don't want to shoot this all over the room, but I really want to show it to you. It's that really pretty ochre color. Look at that. I watched a lady dyeing cotton fabric with it for curtains on some British design show, interior design TV show, and it was like the prettiest color. And I'm really not a yellow person, but I just love it how it looks when you dye with it. I'm gonna put the top back on so I don't get it everywhere because I'm the klutziest person in the world. And then 1 Yogi Honey Lavender Stress Relief Tea. I love these. Yogi's one of my favorites. I think I'm gonna drink this right away, so I'm gonna open it so I can smell it. Oh my God. Oh. That smells so good. Okay. I don't feel stressed right now, but I'm still gonna drink this right now. So then it also says, we're sorry to inform you that Eunice, our sheep logo, will not be making a decorative appearance as a sticker in this month's box as she is helping with spring shearing on the farm. So I never mentioned this, but I really should. You also get 10% off purchases when you are part of the club. And they give you a discount code on here. And then also on the back, there are instructions, as I was guessing, on how to dye the wool with the turmeric. So maybe I'll like cut it in half and try this, because I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. So there's instructions on here. And then there's also information about the 2 US farms where the other products came from, which I think is really cool. And I really think this box is extra cool for me because I'm just feeling so, I guess, like we need to support each other and take care of each other right now because it's like real crazy out there. This box is awesome. Thank you, Paradise. I really appreciate how much thought and care goes into these boxes, and I cannot wait to dye this. And this is such a fun idea. I'm gonna have to do it. I don't always do exactly what, you know, is like the idea behind the box. Sometimes I get inspired and I can't stop myself, but I'm definitely gonna do it at least with half of it this time. So thank you. What a fun one. Don't go anywhere because I'm gonna go pick a winner. The first thing I do is use a random number generator to pick a video from the previous month. And then I use my laptop to pick a comment from that video. And if you want to enter to win this month's box, which you know you want to enter to win it, all you have to do is leave a comment on a video starting with this one, going all the way up until I receive the next box next month. Random number generator picked the 4th video of the month, which was 4 ways to come at a bat. So I'm gonna grab the link. Okay, ready guys? Oh, here we go. Kathleen, you win! So all you have to do is email me at neverendingknitnight@gmail.com. It's also below in the description box, and give me your address and I will mail it to you. And I do mail outside the country if you are not in the United States. Thank you, and I will see you guys soon. I'm gonna be posting again tomorrow. I've got a project update video all shot for you. I just need to get it edited and get it up. I will see you guys soon. I hope you're all healthy and safe and you stay that way.